Okay, I'm gonna do one more exact one with you here, especially because we haven't done a tan one yet. But they start the same way where I gotta draw the 350-degree angle, starting with my initial side there, and then to get to 315, I gotta go 90, 180, 270, and then I gotta go 45 more, right? 270 plus 45 will give us 315. So I'm gonna draw that angle in there. It's actually pretty poor, so let me try that one more time. Maybe I'll use an actual straight line. Okay, and then from there I got to make a right triangle. So you're always going to draw from the point it meets this unit circle back to the x-axis. Don't draw it to the y-axis, draw it to the x-axis. Okay, now we've got a right triangle. All right, and this one should be a 45, 45, 90. Right, this angle's got to be 45 because it was 45 on the other side. And then we can use, again, our measurements from the special right triangle. So this hypotenuse is 1 all the time. We have square root of 2 over 2, and then square root of 2 over 2 here, except this one's going to be negative because we went down. Right, we went down on the x-axis. So this one's positive, that one's negative. Okay, and now to find these measurements, just use this as a reference angle, the angle from the center. So if we do sine of 315, right, that's going to be, from this angle's perspective, opposite over hypotenuse. So here's op, here's hypotenuse. So it's negative square root of 3 over, no, 2 square root of 2 over 2 over 1. And then the over 1 part doesn't do anything. So sine of 315 is negative square root of 2 over 2. Okay, and then do the tangent of 315. So now I'm going to do op and adjacent. So op is negative square root of 2 over 2, and adjacent is positive square root of 2 over 2. And so that's going to basically clean up to be negative 1, right? They're the same numerator and denominator, except one's negative, and if you cancel them out, they just get negative 1. And again, you can check on your calculator, right? Like if I do sine of negative 315, that is negative square root of 2 over 2 as a decimal, and tangent of negative 315 is negative 1. So that's a good thing to check to make sure you're doing them right. So that's all I got for finding them. It's pretty weird because I'm used to thinking of sin cos tan only for angles between 0 and 90 degrees, but you can extend that by using this, what I call like the unit circle, and then drawing angles in standard form and drawing back to the x-axis. Okay, thanks for watching.